Hello everyone, I want to make a video to show you how to start making a game, a phaser game with the tools we already know. With Visual Studio Code, with Phaser Editor, with GitHub. It's my first video, my talking first video. I'm going to make this in English. My, my native language is Spanish, but I will try to make my better. I just record that in Spanish, but I think it's better making that in English. Okay, so let's start. But the good thing, the different thing here in this video is that we are going to make the game, but in the cloud. We are going to use Visual Studio Code and Phaser Editor 2D, but in the cloud. We are not going to install anything in the desktop. The only thing we need is the browser. So let's start making this game in the cloud. First, I'm going to find in the marketplace. We have some projects for Phaser Editor 2D, some project templates that I recommend you using if you are going to make a game with Phaser Editor 2D. And I recommend this project template. Actually, with this project template, we are going to make the game in the cloud, but also we are going to deploy the game in the cloud using GitHub page. Here with the GitHub page, for free, you can host your game and share your game with your friends, with the whole world. Okay, let's start here. Let's go to the project website that is in GitHub. This is just a template repository in GitHub. Let's use this template for creating a new project. Hello world game. Let's use that name. Create a repository. My English is so good. Yeah, okay. We have here our project, and now we are going to edit that with Codespaces. Maybe you don't have Codespaces yet. I don't know if it is enabled for everybody, but I had an email some time ago that I can use that, so let's go and use that. I think eventually it will be available for everybody. So let's create the code space. This will create a container with Visual Studio Code, and we are going to run Phaser Editor 2D inside this container. It can take some time setting up the code space. Okay, we got it. It's a very pretty Visual Studio Code. I feel like in home with this editor running in the browser. Let's wait this finish the setup. Maybe I'm going to add some scripts here to the video if you don't understand my English. Also, I have flu and my voice is a bit strange, weird. Okay, we have here the terminal. First step is install all node dependencies, Webpack, TypeScript. Phaser Editor is also as a node mode. module. Let's update everything. We need to do that for getting the last version of the phaser editor. Okay, we are up to date. Now let's run the game. Hello, we have the game running here, just in the cloud. We are making this everything in the cloud. Now we run the game. Now I want to run now phaser editor. Let's open a new terminal and let's run the editor in the remote mode. As you can see here, it downloads the phaser editor and install it in the container and run it later. It creates a new port, a local port, that it is mapped to another port, to a global port here. Run the editor. My internet is not very good, but I'm pretty sure for you this will run a way faster for you. This will be more fast. Okay, we have phaser editor running here together with Visual Studio Code. Open here. This is some. Let's make some small change. Let's add here some physics body. Okay, let's make it a circular body. Let's edit here. Okay, some velocity to this body. Collide world bounds. And oh, I see here I repeat the same parameter. I have to fix that. God. So let's bounce. Good. That's crazy. Okay. Now we should have a new version here with the bouncing Dino. Okay, I know what's happening. I have to enable physics in the game configuration. Here we come. Okay, we are in Visual Studio Code. We can edit the game here with auto completion. Physics. Default physics. Okay. That's all. Okay. So here, successfully compiled successfully. Let's try now. Okay, that's running. We have a bouncing Dino. We did our first game. Let's say this is a hello world game. Now I will come in here, move the Dino. I push the chains. Okay, ask me later. Now I'm coming here to the repository here in GitHub, and I want to publish the game now as a page using GitHub Pages. It's a very nice services. I'm going to enable it pages. It will deploy from a GitHub action that is already present in the project. I don't know if you have showed that in the project. It has here a workflow for compiling the project and publishing that in GitHub pages. So here we say you will build and deploy that with a GitHub action. That's it. Now here in actions, you can see previous actions failed because I did not enable pages for this project. But now it is enabled and I want to run that again. So it will build a new page. Run workflow. Okay, that's running now. Build game with Webpack. Oh, it was really both. I did it twice. Can I remove that? Yes. Okay. Let's see what's happening here. First job. It is building the project with Webpack. You can see that here. All the log. It can take a time. I'm showing this to you, but this happens. You don't have to see this next time. It is a process, automatic process. It is deploying now to GitHub pages. How can I pronounce pages? Pages. I don't know. My English is so good. Okay, that's complete. So here is our game. Just right in GitHub. So we can share this address. We have our game in internet now. I think it's a very nice alternative for publishing your games, especially when you are developing that and you want to share that with another guys of the team, especially not technical guys. Okay, so let's add now a new character, another character here. First, I want to see how this is updated again. Let's add the character here into assets. It's a barbarian. Let's import that in the set pack. In Phaser editor, you have everything in an asset pack. For using that in the scene, you have to add first to the set pack. So we have the barbarian here. Let's do the same. Let's add some physics here. Add the body. Edit the body. Have a body here. Let's add some velocity. Good. Let's collide. Look how I repeat the same parameter. God. Okay. Collide word bounds. I think that's all. I want to add a collider so we can collide the Dino with the barbarian. Add a collider for object 1, the Dino, object 2, the barbarian. Okay, let's see if this is going to work. This is the game running in the Codespaces container. Okay. I don't like it. Add a different, more velocity to this guy here. Let's try here. Oh. Hey, not bouncing, not bouncing. Okay, let's bounce here. Good. Try again. Much better now. Okay, we have now a very good game. A very good game. Now let's publish that to, let's update that in our GitHub, for our GitHub pages. Add a new chapter. Pushing. So if you come here in the actions, okay, it is building again. It is building again the game. It takes a time. I don't know, maybe because this is a free account in GitHub, this delays a lot. It takes a lot of time. Some of you have a better configuration for this. That's okay. This is done. For example, here in pages, in the pages configuration, you have your site is live at this address. You refresh the page. Okay, we have the game here with update. So that's all. That's all. We make a very good game. I think it's a pretty good game. Using Visual Studio Code and Phaser Editor 2D just right in the code. You only need the browser and you only need a GitHub account for starting making the Phaser game. See you in the next video. I hope you understand my English. So, goodbye. See you later. Keep in touch.